Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. A little bit of a different video here today, more of a update, a little bit of talking and a little bit of asking for your opinion. So, what do we have? So right now, to start with, I would like to say that I do have some really rather interesting videos coming up, so stay tuned, subscribe if you want. I think I do have some really good videos coming up, and what we do have here now. So why am I showing you this car? So this car is a 2007 BMW E61, as you can see. This thing has been on the channel, I'm pretty sure, well, it's definitely been here. I just can't remember now if I recorded a video for this or not. I think I did. But regardless of that, this is the 525 diesel, and the issue with this thing is that when you cruising, let's say 70 miles per hour, well, you don't even need 70 miles per hour. I've actually tried it on some of these roads around where you have a 60 mile per hour limit speed, and even a 60 miles per hour you feel it. And what you feel is, so this is the automatic gearbox. And I'm pretty sure, as you can see there, I'm pretty sure the gearbox on this is the 6 HP. I'm pretty sure it is, but I might be wrong. But regardless of that, what you do feel is when you're cruising at a steady speed, imagine a manual gearbox where you are driving, let's say 60 or 70 miles per hour, doesn't matter, and you just keep pressing your accelerator and you just press the clutch and you release the clutch. And basically, on this automatic gearbox, is exactly what you're feeling. It's like you're driving and all of a sudden, you feel like if the engine is not pulling, and then you feel like if the clutch just engage again, and you feel that. It's not too harsh, but you can feel it. These gearbox, to be fair with you, they are relatively reliable, even though BMW said they were sealed for life. What a massive mistake, when the same gearbox on Jaguars was serviced at 80,000 miles, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, that would be a topic for a different conversation. But yeah, that's exactly what I feel. This gearbox, they are known for there's three hoses that goes between the mechatronics and the gearbox. They are known for start to leak, and the fact that they leak, they start to lose the pressure and the driving, and they can make all sort of things. Now, I was not to record this, and this is my first question, guys. Shall I record this or not? Because all I'm going to do is remove the sump, remove the mechatronics, change those three hoses, clean everything, put everything back on, and refill the gearbox with brand new oil. There is also, what do you call, a dog bone on the drive shaft. I think it's dog bone that you call it, on the drive shaft, that needs replacing. We're going to do that as well. And let me know, shall I record this or shall I not? Because this is such a covered topic. I didn't check, but I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there show you how to remove the mechatronics, how to remove the filter, which is part of the pan. I think it's part of the pan. I'm pretty sure it's part of the pan on this gearbox and all that good stuff. So that's the first thing. So this is my next, well, it's not going to be my next job. Well, it's supposed to be my next job. It's not going to be, because I need to get that Navara diagnosed, even though I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is with it. But let's going to move actually into there, and I will take you through a little bit more stuff, which is, here we have the 3008. I believe this is the HDI engine, 1.6. I might be wrong, it might be the 2 liter. Regardless of that, this thing had, if I've been told correctly, had some new injectors. Most likely not new, probably reconditioned or used injectors, I don't know. But apparently the car still runs a little bit rough. I haven't had the car here running or looked at the car properly to be able to say anything regards to that, but yeah, that's the complaint. We'll have to have a look. And here we do have a 2000 and we have here actually 2012 Nissan Navara with the 2.5 liter DCI engine. So if you guys are into cars and you fix cars, you might have seen, or you might have had some of these already. Now, this was a quite peculiar problem, which had me scratching my head for a little bit. I've only worked on this car. I have already the start of the video for this car recorded, which I'm going to carry on probably today. To which, when I stopped, I was literally clueless about what the problem was. So I was recording a video for, what was that? For a Mocha, a Vauxhall Mocha. And this thing was parked right behind the Mocha. So when I was to move this thing to here, because the issue with this car is only when it's cold, so I just thought I'm going to start to record the video and then I'll carry on later. That was about a week ago. But this thing, basically, when it's cold, you start it up, it starts first time no problem, runs for 5 seconds and it shuts down. Literally as if you just turned the key off. You start it again, starts absolutely perfect, runs for another 5 seconds and shuts itself down. And it does this about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 times, I don't know. It does it a few times. And then up to the point where you do start it and it stays running. I didn't try, because I only recorded so far one clip, or I only started these once when it was cold. But apparently, according to the owner, if you start it up and you just keep revving it up, so if you just keep the revs high, let's say, or obviously when you start it up from cold, these revs are about 1000 RPMs or whatever that is. But he reckons if you keep the revs a little bit above that and just keep bleep the throttle, it doesn't shut down. And if you leave it, if you keep bleep the throttle for a little bit, after a minute or so, you can take the foot off and it will stay running. No codes. So I've scanned this thing, no codes. What is the problem with this? I think I know what it is. That's the video I'm going to start to record next. But for that, as I said, that's going to be another video. And I just left you here with some spoilers, because you can now go and Google what the problem could be with that, and I'm pretty sure you're going to find some answers. I did found, well, I don't know yet if that's the problem, but according to my workshop manual, that's going to be a beep issue. Right, so I don't know how long this video is already. But this is today your Saturday video, guys. So a little bit of updates where we are here with the channel, in the driveway. A lot of stuff going on, yeah, so that's where we are. So guys, please let me know what you guys think. Shall I record a video for this gearbox or not? It's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass, because ideally the car will be all in the air, completely leveled, to change gearbox oil. I've been actually looking at these ramps. They are more like sort of show ramps. Is these ramps that you drive the entire car into them, and as you get to the end of the ramps, they level themselves, and they keep the car probably about a meter out of the ground. I've been looking at buy 2 of those, because it will be so much easier for so many jobs I do around here, rather than just little ramps. Because what I'm going to have to do on this one is literally try to drive the car in the ramps at the front, and then with the 2 jacks raise the back of it and try to keep the car leveled. It's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass, but surely doable. And that's it, guys, for this video. So I don't know, just let me know what you guys think. Have a nice weekend, have a nice Saturday, and I think I'll see you all tomorrow. The next video tomorrow on a, what is that, on a Land Rover. 3 videos for that car. I managed to squeeze 3 videos for that car, and that's about it, guys. So have a nice weekend, enjoy the last bit of the good weather, and have a nice one, guys. So just let me know in the comments below what you think. Shall I record or not this? And stay tuned for the 308 and for the Navara. That's indeed an interesting video, I think is going to be, and that's what I'm going to work on next. At least diagnose it, because if it is what I think it is, it's gonna be an expensive repair, and I don't know what the guy wants to do. So stay tuned. Video's coming for a. Don't go. Oh, I was about to say, don't go anywhere. See you tomorrow. Have a nice one.